All right, so yesterday we had a bullish imbalance and a target of 66.89. We spent the whole day balancing. I mean, it was a pretty slow, grindy day. We didn't get to fill the gap by a few ticks. We didn't get also to that bullish imbalance, but we did get to it during the overnight session. And if you look at the overnight session profile, at least when I looked earlier, it looked like another bullish imbalance with a target at 67.12, which coincidentally is also the call wall. So we should see some resistance in this area. But we've been one-time framing up for a long time. We haven't had a decent pullback in a while, so I think, you know, we should start seeing some protection buying for tomorrow's FOMC, for you know, the next set of news that is coming up. I think that we're gonna start seeing some a little bit of a pullback, just profit taking plus put buying. We could see some of this poor structure being repaired. We have a gap today that might fill. We have another gap from yesterday. We have the single print below. So I'm thinking that we might see a gap. A pullback coming up soon. But you know, it's always hard to get traction to the downside, and when we have all-time highs. I shouldn't say always, but without a trigger, it's a little bit hard usually. So first thing I'm gonna look for is reaction yesterday's high to see if we start trading inside the range, inside value. First target is yesterday's settlement, which is at 66.79 1/4. Then if we start trading inside value, looking for a value area sweep to value area low, and then a continuation to see if we retest last week's highs, fill this gap, and then get back into this 66.49, which is my target to the downside. Of course, if we're here, then I'm going to look for the scenarios I mentioned yesterday, which is, you know, value area sweep here, and then a test of this spike and this single print. But for now, just you know, initial support here at 66.62, and then if sellers keep pushing, then 66.49 will be the target. And on the upper side, 67.12 would be a place where I'd be looking for our resistance and a reversal back into this area if we start going up first. And Q also had a bullish imbalance at 24.575, which got tested during the overnight session. Now we have a new one at 24.723. Scenarios, the same thing. We have a gap that was not filled, pull back, look for value sweep, and then I move back to the previous week's high. Oil, I keep saying I want to see 65. Now we're breaking this previous high that we had left here from, you know, these two sessions, so maybe we'll get to it coming up. And gold, I mentioned yesterday, we're consolidating, probably looking to make new highs. We did get a breakout, got all the way to almost 37.40, so this thing keeps going. So I wouldn't short gold yet. Maybe we have a move tomorrow during the FOMC. Usually gold moves nicely on the FOMC rate decision days. We have at 10 a.m. we have some news, but nothing big, nothing major that could move the markets today, except tomorrow's FOMC. And then Friday we have triple witching, we have VIX expiration on Thursday, so volatility is coming, don't worry. Alright, have a good one.